Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys vivo phone display and brightness setting guys. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you on your auto rotate screen in your vivo phone, and guys how can you use in your vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to on your auto rotate, and guys how to use I will show you. So guys, then guys click on guys display and brightness setting, and guys again scroll. As you can see auto rotate screen. So guys we will on from here. And guys how can you use your auto rotate? So you are using guys YouTube guys. And guys you want to rotate your phone, so guys you can rotate guys, you can see guys. So like that guys you can use your auto rotate screen in your Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to on auto rotate screen in our Vivo phone and how to use it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.